Hello everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another video about the cup holder for the Honda Ruckus. So, I ran into some issues with the original one that you saw in the video yesterday, or whenever you saw it. The neck of this is too thin right here, so up as well as up here, so I widened the width. It makes it harder to bend, but I went ahead and widened it. And then I went ahead and used a much thicker, almost twice as thick than this one. I think it's 1/8. I think it's 1/8 thick. Anyways, so we went ahead and took off the old one. And here's some footage of the new one. I went ahead and took the new one. I went ahead and painted it. I mean, it's not like it really needs to be painted. It's just a test piece. But I went ahead and painted it anyway because it might stay on my bike for a while because it's the only one that I have so far of this one. But as you can tell, it's much thicker, it's heavier, it's made of steel, and it's super hard steel, so it's a little bit over-engineered because it can stop bullets. Well anyways, we took off the old one, got the Allen wrench, took off the old one, and then went ahead and installed the new one. The hole is just the right size. I was glad that I measured that particular hole and I didn't have to drill it out. And I put it on, and as you can hear here, when you hit it, it's pretty solid steel, or metal. It's cold rolled, I believe. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and mount a camera on the tank without messing up the tank cover. And then we're gonna go ahead and kind of put some cans and different things, and we're gonna test to see if we can make something fall out of it. Anyways, before we get to that, just want to remind everyone this is a small board channel. Please subscribe. It would be great to have some subscribers during the summertime so that you can see some cool footage and some cool stuff happening in the winter when you guys can't ride up north. So yeah, if it sounds like something you want to do, go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and roll that intro. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move to the helmet cam and onto the bike cam for the cup holder on the bike. Okay, well, I didn't get a chance to go and ride around as it's raining right now outside. So I did get to ride around and ride through the parking lot and drive over a bunch of speed bumps with it, and it's not going anywhere. It's solid as a rock. It's a little bit heavier than what probably people want it to be, but it is made of steel. It will hold your cup or your bottle, water bottle or Coke can so far is what I've tested with. It looks like it should fit a Monster, but you know, you never know. I'm thinking about making one of these specific for an Arctic cup or something like that, or something, a Yeti or something like that. But Yetis are expensive and no one can afford those. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. It looks like it'll stay in there. I was hitting some speed bumps pretty freaking hard. So hopefully you gleaned an idea from this. I'm going to make a few. Maybe I'll do a 10 set of these before, and then pre-sell them and create them, and then powder coat them whatever color people want them in regular colors. Nothing super fancy or smart. Black, white, red, blue, I guess. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think below, and I will see everybody in the next video. Thank you.